Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials: a Jio 5G capable SIM, a handset that supports the carrier 5G bands, and completed KYC. Once done, update your phone OS and the My Jio app so network changes propagate correctly. This avoids activation delays. Next, check your phone's IMEI and band support in settings. Then open My Jio, sign in, and pull up unlimited 5G plans for your number. Do this now, because without compatible hardware and an updated app, activation stalls. You'll now purchase and activate the unlimited 5G plan. In My Jio, pick the desired plan, confirm payment, and accept any eSIM instructions or schedule a physical SIM swap. Once activated, go to Mobile Network Settings, set network mode to 5G preferred, and ensure the APN reads GeoNet, that routes data correctly. After making these changes, restart the phone. Then wait 10 to 15 minutes. Provisioning can take a short while, and a restart speeds up registration with Jio's 5G Core. You finish by verifying service. Look for the 5G icon and run a quick speed test to confirm expected performance. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. If that fails, reset the SIM or reapply the eSIM profile. Make sure carrier updates are installed, and then contact Jio support with IMEI and plan details. One key troubleshooting tip: if speeds drop, check app background usage and tethering settings. Heavy background senses can throttle perceived unlimited.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.